Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read in, or in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means member. It has 10 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like in. A mouth above a shell, one counted member of a group. Now, let's write it. 10 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Tein means clerk. Kaiin means member. And shain means employee. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Kai, read kai, shellfish. Bai, read cow, to buy. Notice the small differences. So that's in, member. 10 strokes. Read in or in. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.